Hello everybody, we just finished working out at an actual gym, the first one we've been to in what seems like months, but it's just been a few weeks. So we're pretty hungry, worked up an appetite, and we're gonna stop at a traditional Burmese restaurant and try some of the cuisine there. So many people might not be familiar with Burmese cuisine, and we really aren't either, but from what we've seen so far, it's been predominantly like meat, fish, poultry, seafood options on all the dishes. So that means Emma will not be eating with me today.
But that gets us to the fun part. So unfortunately, like Tristan said, a lot of places don't even have any like vegetarian or vegan options. But my role today is going to be to randomly choose like 2 or 3 dishes for Tristan to try, and we won't know what they are until they come out.
If you haven't seen Burmese writing, it looks like it's pretty much from another planet. Doesn't have any symbols or letters that resemble anything of the English alphabet, or sometimes how you can kind of determine what something is in Spanish or French. This, you have no idea. So here's an example of what the writing kind of looks like. We'll take a look here. Hi. Do you have traditional like Burmese food here?
Yes, Burmese.
Traditional? Okay.
Yes.
Perfect. Anything here?
Is it around 3,000?
Yeah, maybe like. Yeah, choose anything. This is what it looks like. I don't know if the lighting.
Oh, it just looks gross.
I don't know if the lighting works, but it looks like it's like a foot, like part of a.
Like octopus, maybe.
Looks like no, I don't. There's bone right there. Check this one out. What is this exactly? Do you know? What? Chicken? Chicken foot? Chicken. Oh yeah. Oh, it's chicken foot. So we just talked to our server. Apparently this is roasted chicken wing salad. And
Looks like a little bit more than loin.
yeah. Looks like roasted claw salad. One in Rome. I don't know about this. I don't think this is chicken wing salad.
Chicken salad. Whole
like-
chicken.
It's like the worst part of the chicken that you can get salad.
This is a vegan nightmare.
It's right here.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah. The first one is gonna be a no from me, dog. Hopefully the second one's better. All right, so yeah, the fresh one. That one's very fresh. Yeah. We're doing some barbecue right now. Let's see. And what's this? Octopus?
Squid.
Okay, that's okay. Yeah. So my new friend is giving us some barbecue right now. So I picked out this guy right here.
This one, 2 more please. 1,500 just.
1,500. Okay, I'll try one of these.
Yeah.
And then I'll do the fresh crab right here.
Yeah,
Let
correct.
me try to grab it. There we go. Yeah, you see him? Cool. All right, I'll just do that then.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay.
Here you go.
Yeah. This
And
one,
then-
one more please.
You want one more? One more for me?
Yeah.
All right, thank you, my
Present,
man.
yeah.
Cool, thank you. So slight detour from our original plan of trying random foods. The server just came up to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of the barbecue here and took me over to the seafood stand, and I picked out a bunch of things. I picked out some shrimp, some crab, and some squid, and he gave me an extra squid for free as a present. So we're gonna go ahead and try that out and see where it takes us.
So it looks like the second dish is some sort of rice with vegetables and some sort of meat.
Oh, it smells heavenly. Good choice on this one, Pidge. Yeah. Much better than the chicken feet. And then right here, if you can see, that's the first of my barbecue. That's squid. So I do really like calamari, but not bad. Not bad at all. Here comes the good stuff. Thank you. Well, this turned into just a feast. It's supposed to be random food tasting.
Hey, SpongeBob, me millionth dollar.
She never watched SpongeBob. So we just finished our taste testing at 777 restaurant, and it was off to a rocky start, but we've prevailed and we finished strong. The service was excellent there, so if you're in Yangon, I highly suggest you stop by there. Our meal was 21,420 kyats total, which was about $14 US. A little bit more expensive than we expected, but the service was excellent. Guys are super friendly, and I'm pretty sure that price included the tax and the service charge. So it was a great experience, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Adios.